You know what? In real life, there are no happily ever afters. I mean, everyone eventually has to die. This Halloween, I'm gonna kill some more Disney princesses with makeup. Hey there, it's Dead Sleeping Beauty here. You know, just got into a little spindle accident. Just kidding, guys. It's Julia. What is up? So I'm back again with a Dead Disney Princess Halloween Makeup Part 2 because you guys were requesting that I do another one. You guys really enjoyed the first one, so you know I had to bring you a second one. And if you've never seen the first one, go ahead and click the I, or you can go and click the link in the description box because it's pretty good, if I do say so myself. Anyway, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the post notifications so you never miss another one of my videos. I got a lot of Halloween videos coming. Yes, this look honestly turned out really good. I'm having trouble deciding if this is my favorite Disney princess, well, Dead Disney princess, or the Moana version that I did, because they're so good. But comment down below your favorite Disney princess, because I'm curious. Give this video a big thumbs up if you're excited for Halloween. Now let's get to the tutorials. Disney princess number 1. Dead Rapunzel. She had an accident and got tangled in her hair, so we're gonna put on a wig for this. Very long wig. Now I'm gonna take my Tarte palette and apply some reddish toned eyeshadow to the lids and some purple to kind of make it look like her eyes are sort of bulging and dead. And we're gonna add some white eyeliner to that. And then taking a red eyeliner, we're drawing veins so it looks like she kind of like was choking and exploding from her tangulation. And then I'm going to take some purple eyeshadow for my contour. And a little bit of yellow to kind of, you know, make it look bruised. Some eyeliner, of course, mascara, yes, some falsies, you can't forget the falsies, and then a little bit of lip liner to line my lips and make them look very Disney princess-like. I'm using a pink lipstick and then kind of wiping it, making it look messy, and that is the look for the Dead Rapunzel. Disney princess number 2, Dead Moana. Now Moana got into a shark accident and unfortunately I cut my hair so I can't really use my natural hair, so we're doing a wig for this one again, and we're doing a neutral eyeshadow look because Moana doesn't have much eyeshadow on, it looked like in that picture, and some eyeliner. You know, she had very dark long lashes. We gotta really get the falsies in there for that one. And now we're going to be highlighting and sort of making it look like she has been sunburned, not too sunburned, but a little bit of color because she lives on an island. Of course, I gotta line my lips with lip liner, can't forget that, and then a orangey gloss to kind of go off the coral theme. Now with my NYX eyeliner, I'm drawing the spots where I'm going to be putting her shark bites, and I'm not an SFX makeup artist, I'm just showing you an easy way that a beginner makeup person who's just doing this for Halloween can do this. So we're taking toilet paper and eyelash glue to making the bites protrude out of the skin. And now we wait for this to dry. Why is my... And then we're going to be covering it with some concealer to make it blend in with the skin a little bit, but still pop out, if you know what I mean, and blend out the concealer. Now we're going to take a purple liquid lip liner to set a base for our bloody cut. And then we're going to also take a red liquid lip liner and put that around the purple to give it depth. And we're going to blend that out a bit and take some fake blood, oh my gosh, my favorite part, and make it really oozy and bloody and gross. And that is the Dead Moana. Disney princess number 3, Dead Anna. Of course, Anna has red hair and I don't have red hair, so we put a wig on and braided her hair into her Anna braids, you know. Oh my god, I look like Wendy from Wendy's. What the f? How would you like your burger? Medium rare? Or well done. And since Anna has red hair, I decided we should give her some red eyebrows to match her hair. Just like Moana, Anna had a very simple eye look. So right here, I'm just fixing it up a bit to be a little cleaner than it was before. And we're gonna line her bottom lash line with a little bit of white liner. And then we're gonna take a pink blush and really make her cheeks and nose rosy because of the cold, you know? She lives in a cold climate and frozen, duh. I know I already started my freckles, but I forgot to highlight, so we're gonna give her a frosty white highlight on the nose and in the inner corners and a little bit on the cheekbones, you know, anywhere highlight goes. And we're gonna finish up her freckles. For the lips, we're just gonna line them and then take a pink lipstick and kind of blend that in a bit and then overlap it with a darker pink. And now we're gonna do her fatal stabbing from an icicle. So again, we're taking eyelash glue and toilet paper to give it that 3D look. And then cover it with concealer, of course. And now we're gonna take a dark purple liquid lipstick to make those deep cuts and a red liquid lipstick for dimensions. And now we're going to make it look kind of bruised around with some eyeshadow and add the blood. Lots and lots of fake blood, it's gotta be dripping. She's gotta look dead, and that is the finished Anna look. Now for our final Disney princess, Sleeping Beauty. So we're gonna be putting on a very yellowy wig because Aurora has yellow hair and a crown. So for the eyeshadow, we're giving her very pinkish, sunken in, sleepy eyes because she sleeps a lot. And some rosy cheeks, but not too rosy because she's pretty tired. Now for the brow bone highlight. Jesus, this wig is literally falling off my head. I think I'm just gonna let it, I'm ripping my hair out. Let it fall off. And finishing off the brow bone highlight and moving on to the nose highlight and the cheek highlight and the everything highlight because she gotta be highlighty. We're gonna do a little bit of liquid eyeliner here and then some gel eyeliner on the bottom, make her eyes look bigger, and mascara, of course. And then we're gonna do some falsies. Also, just wanna let you know, if you're wondering any of the specific brands or where I got the makeup, it's all linked in the description box down below. So now for the lips, we're gonna line them and take a pink lipstick. Let's kill the Sleeping Beauty. Now with some eyelash glue, we can start on her fatal wound and take toilet paper again, but this time we're going to be doing it in like a longer section to make it look like her spindle. Cut her and sewed her, and yeah. Taking that liquid lipstick again in purple, we're going to be putting that in the middle to show the depth of the cut. And then we're going to take some blood and put it in there and make it drip. And last, we're going to use eyelash glue to glue on her stitches from the spindle accident. And that's it for Dead Sleeping Beauty. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Give it a big thumbs up and comment down below your favorite look that I did in the video because I want to know which one you think was the best. And I will see you all either in my next video or my previous video, which you can click at the end. Love you guys so much. Bye!